welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be sharing our experience flying Singapore Airlines Business Class from Singapore to Narita, Japan. It was a nighttime flight lasting less than 7 hours.
Self-service check-in bag.
It was my first time visiting Singapore and I loved the airport so much. It was clean and beautiful, and we do have a vlog video coming up, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Our flight was around midnight, so we arrived early to explore the airport and do some shopping. Since we booked a Singapore Airlines Business Class flight, we had access to the SilverKris Lounge, and we were beyond excited about it. There's something extra special about experiencing the iconic Singapore Airlines Lounge right in Singapore. In short, the food was fantastic and we genuinely enjoyed our time there.
Someone got the what's it called? Singapore sling.
Yeah, the bartender said, I knew you were gonna order a sling. Everyone ordered a sling.
Got more snacks. Oh,
That's mine.
they had this? I didn't see this one. Anyway, yeah, yum yum.
So we got the spicy chicken, the mala chicken here, and the lemongrass chicken satay. Oh my god, so good. So good.
Very, very good. Are you gonna get a drink?
Yeah, I'll have to grab some drinks. Gotta get more chicken.
We visit both Terminal 2 and Terminal 3 lounges. If you are curious to learn more about each one, be sure to check out our dedicated videos here.
Boarding.
Sitting in a 20F.
For your information, this flight does not have a first class, it starts from business class. And there's about 36 seats available and we sat in the very last row.
Hello. 20F?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
If you're wondering how are we able to fly all these business and first class, we're not rich or anything. Vinny does his research so we can fly for cheap. For example, we only pay less than $100 for this flight for both of us. So if you're interested in more, check out his channel.
They provide so hot. It's so hot, it's steaming. Steaming. Yeah, they provide you a hot towel. So as a welcome drink, we got a Bellini, which is a peach flavor. Cheers.
Cheers. Not bad.
I don't taste peach.
I just taste the alcohol.
I taste alcohol too.
Yeah. We're gonna sleep
Yeah, I hope so.
as much as we can.
So we can enjoy in Japan.
Yeah.
So once we get seated, we did get a slipper, brown color, and a sock too, cover for your eyes, and headset. It is a Singapore Airline branded. Oh, there's a noise cancelling headphone, it says. I actually don't know if this is coming from Bose or anywhere else, but this is a noise cancelling headphone for your information. And it comes with the cover. It comes with the cover like this. You know when you go karaoke, they have a cover for your mic. It's like that. This way I don't have to even wipe it. Oh, that's very convenient. Today's look. With that, how do I do this? How do I twist this? What? Oh, very tight. Well, I feel I'm gonna break it. Oh, I didn't. Pretty comfortable. So let's see.
Now let me give you a quick tour of our seat. We sat in the very last row and honestly there was no disadvantage to being back here. The seat, as expected in business class, was spacious with plenty of room to rest your feet. We purposely chose the seat because the seats are closer to each other. Also, they provide us the pillow and blanket, but is it just me? I always don't know where to put this. On the top left side of the seat, there are 3 reading lights. You can adjust it. There is a hook for you to hang your clothes as well. At the end, I put my pillow on the feet resting area. I really don't know where to put it. It's not a preferred place since I put my feet, but this is the only option for me. For outlets, there are 2 USB and 1 international outlet you can plug in like this. And ta-da! There is 1 mirror you can slide out. It's hidden. And there's a remote for you, and you can adjust your seat using those buttons. The in-flight entertainment system was pretty smooth. It was not laggy at all, and there's lots of options for you to watch. Also, I may not notice the other flights, but you can tilt it like this.
They have an airline exclusive. Oh, look. Singapore Airline tumbler.
Ooh.
65, too expensive. Oh, this one is very useful.
Oh,
Oh,
well, that one's
cute.
you can consider that. That looks very unique.
That's very expensive though, $79.
It's quite expensive, yeah.
Pretty expensive. So upon a request, they will provide you an amenity bag. So Vinny actually requested, it is a Panhaligon. It is a Panhaligon brand. It has Singapore logo. It's a pretty flat one, my hand size. And I personally like this because I don't like too big one. And it's a different style of a bag I don't have. And it opens like this. And you can see it's wide open. And inside is very cute design. And inside there is a hand lotion. There is a lip balm. This is very, very moisturizing. I think this is the best lip balm I got. And a facial mist. And just the information provided. And a clear plastic bag, zip bag. I'm not sure why they provide it. Maybe sanity bag, that's what I'm expecting. But they provide that. So that's about it for the amenity bag. You have to request it for your information. It actually stated in this bit if you want an amenity bag. Hope this helps. This is the restroom tour. Here, it's about this size. You get a full mirror. Facial mist and lotion and a perfume. This one smells pretty good actually. And then there's cloth for you. There's additional amenities like toothbrush. That's it.
Since I'm 5'1", plenty of leg room for me, and Vinny is 5'8", enough room for him as well.
For the blanket, they do have a very, very fluffy, pretty thick. Doesn't smell anything. I was scared it's gonna smell something.
Do you want a cup of coffee, tea, orange, or apple juice?
Coffee.
Coffee? Do you want milk and sugar or just black coffee?
Yeah, just black.
Black coffee.
We chose our meal in advance after booking the flight, and I chose the bok chor mee dry style. Never had it before. And beef rendang, which is my favorite dish, and Vinny's as well.
Wipes. They provide wet wipes instead of hot towel. It smells so good. Pata croissant. Pata croissant. Did you choose your bread? It smells so good. What is it? Curry?
I don't know. Spread.
And noodle. Noodle texture is very good. Very surprised about the noodle texture. The flavor is not my favorite. Give you some. Texture is very good. Giving one to Vinny.
Interesting flavor.
Yeah, interesting flavor, right? It's not my favorite flavor. I don't really like the noodle flavor, but noodle texture is good. Very interesting. I like a little bit sour taste.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting thing is I don't really like this noodle, but somehow I kind of keep want to eat it. Let me try the rendang.
Beef is a bit tough. Thick. Flavor is good.
Yeah, beef is tough. That's okay.
The vegetable is good.
It's okay. You can keep it.
And for your information, internet was pretty fast, but we were sleeping. So that was our journey flying Singapore Airlines Business Class from Singapore to Narita, Japan. It was a pretty short flight, and overall we were satisfied except for the food. Honestly, I had a higher expectation, especially since we were flying out from Singapore. But aside from that, the flight was smooth and comfortable, and service was very nice. So that's all for the airline review, and we can't wait to share our 36-hour journey in Japan before flying back home. We ate good food. We even did a tea ceremony. Don't forget to watch that video. We already have it. Before flying back home, we stayed at the Amenity Lounge, and we'll be sharing you that dedicated video as well. Lastly, here's a little spoiler. Vinny surprised me with an unforgettable experience on our Singapore Airlines first class flight. It was truly a journey to remember. Stay tuned for upcoming video. We will see you in our next video, and safe travels. Bye bye.